Bulgaria leading sports tonight. The Fiji Water Flying Fijians have officially been recognized as a Tier 1 rugby team and will participate in the Nations Cup series. Head coach Mick Byrne emphasizes that the team and organization must now reflect this elevated status.
Head coach Mick Byrne expresses enthusiasm about the future, mentioning that in recent years Fiji has had opportunities to play one or two Tier 1 teams each year, which has been both challenging and rewarding.
And when we look at it in reality, there's been a lot of debate over the years about is the Rugby Championship better than the Six Nations. I've been lucky enough to coach in both environments and they both are world class. The Six Nations is a tribal competition, and Rugby Championships an exciting environment that comes to life on game day. We are now part of that. We are now part of the Nations Cup, which is a combination of those two competitions.
Byrne emphasizes the world-class quality of both the Rugby Championship and Six Nations, drawing on his coaching experience.
We now need to step up as an organisation and as a group of players. We now need to address the fact that we are now Tier 1, and everything that we're doing as an organisation and as a group must reflect that. And we're looking forward to the next window of opportunity to present Fiji Rugby to the world.
Meanwhile, General Manager High Performance Unit Navava Nimbuka says that this exciting platform is an opportunity for our players to show the world what we are made of.
Obviously, our performance pathways, which provides a foundation for our players to grow, to excel. And also at this time, it's great to see all of our players who will come into the Flying Fijians environment, all coming from professional environments. This is something we have aspired for as Fijians and Fiji Rugby for a long, long time. So we certainly do look forward with great anticipation and excitement as a nation.
The Flying Fijians will face the Wallabies on July 6 in Newcastle, Australia, followed by a match against Scotland on July 12 at Suva's HFC Bank Stadium. Benina Songanga, Fiji One News.